तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
दीनानाथ साई गुरुनाथ दीनानाथ साई गुरुनाथ प्रेम स्वरूपा शांति प्रदाता प्रेम स्वरूपा शांति प्रदाता दीनानाथ साई गुरुनाथ जय जय गुरुदेवा सच्चिदानंद जय जय गुरुदेवा सच्चिदानंद शशिवदना अलंकृत केशा शशिवदना अलंकृत केशा सुंदर साई आनंददाई सुंदर साई आनंददाई दया सागर करुणा करा साई गुरुदेवा दया सागर करुणा करा साई गुरुदेवा दीनानाथ साई गुरुनाथ प्रेम स्वरूपा शांति प्रदाता दीनानाथ साई गुरुनाथ जय जय गुरुदेवा सच्चिदानंद शशिवदना अलंकृत केशा सुंदर साई आनंददाई दया सागर करुणा करा साई गुरुदेवा दया सागर करुणा करा साई गुरुदेवा दीनानाथ साई गुरुनाथ
त्रिपुर सुंदरी माँ अम्बा दया सागरी माँ
त्रिपुर सुंदरी माँ
वदनी माँ, अम्बा सुगुण मनोहरी माँ।
सुंदर वदनी माँ, अम्बा सुगुण मनोहरी माँ।
सुंदर वदनी माँ, अम्बा सुगुण मनोहरी माँ। सुंदरी माँ, अम्बा दया सागरी माँ।
त्रिपुर सुंदरी माँ, अम्बा दया सागरी माँ।
सुंदर वदनी माँ, अम्बा सुगुण मनोहरी माँ। अम्बा पाप विमोचनी माँ।
निवासिनी माँ, अम्बा पाप विमोचनी माँ।
पर्ति निवासिनी माँ, अम्बा पाप विमोचनी माँ। त्रिपुर सुंदरी माँ, अम्बा दया सागरी माँ।
दशरथ नंदन रामा, दया सागरा रामा। दशरथ नंदन रामा, दया सागरा रामा। दशरथ नंदन रामा, दया सागरा परधाम दशरथ नंदन रामा दया सागर रामा
प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक विघ्नहरण शुभ मंगल चरण विघ्नहरण शुभ मंगल चरण प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक विघ्नहरण शुभ मंगल चरण प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन
वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा नीलमेघ सुंदरा नारायण गोविंदा नीलमेघ सुंदरा नारायण गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरधारी गोविंदा भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा नंद नंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंदा नंदानंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरधारी गोविंदा नीलमेघ सुंदरा नारायण गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरधारी गोविंदा भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा नंद नंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंदा नंदानंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंदा 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 नारायण 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 गोविंदा नारायण 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 गोविंदा नारायण गोविंदा नारायण गोविंदा हरि हरि नारायण गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरधारी गोविंदा
संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा पंकज चरणा नमो नमो पंकज चरणा नमो नमो वेदोद्धरणा वेंकटरमणा वेदोद्धरणा वेंकटरमणा लक्ष्मीनारायण नमो नमो वेङ्कटहरणा श्री साई रमणा पंकजचरणा नमो नमो वेदोधरणा वेङ्कटरमणा लक्ष्मीनारायण नमो नमो साई नारायण नमो 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 पंकजचरणा नमो नमो पंकजचरणा नमो नमो संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा
शिरडी निवासा साई शंकरा शिरडी निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा भावाधीता भावगोचरा भावाधीता भावगोचरा कालातीता कालभैरवा कालातीता कालभैरवा शिरडी निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा भावातीता भावगोचरा कालातीता कालभैरवा कालातीता कालभैरवा जय जगदीश्वर ओंकारेश्वर 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 शिरडी निवासा साई शंकरा
दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षकरा दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षकरा दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षकरा दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र देवकी नंदन मुरलीधरा आनंददायक देवकी नंदन मुरलीधरा आनंददायक ईश्वरा सत्य साई प्रेमामृत भगवान ईश्वरामसुत श्री सत्य साई प्रेमामृत शक्ति स्वरूपा मंगलदायक जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा मंगलदायक दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षकरा देवकी नंदन मुरलीधरा आनंददायक ईश्वरामसुत श्री सत्य साई प्रेमामृत जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा मंगलदायक जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा दशरथ नंदन आनंददायक प्रेमामृत भगवान जय 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 साई राम बोलो जय 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 साई राम दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षकरा
श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा श्रितजन परिपाला साईशा श्रितजन परिपाला साईशा श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा
शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर 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 ओम शिवाय 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 शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय
Sai Ram. Whenever anybody asks me, why do you believe Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba is God? I am in a kind of predicament. Do I share with them the amazing miracles that I have witnessed and the experiences I have had? I am not very sure, because honestly speaking, these miracles and experiences I received after I was already a devotee of Bhagwan Baba. I mean, these were not the reasons why and how I accepted Swami as God. So how did I accept Swami as God? The same way I accepted Shiva, Ganesha, Krishna, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Balaji, Jesus, all of them as God. Because he was also in the altar along with them. But that is not a good enough explanation as to why Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba is God for me, right? Or maybe it is. The thing about miracles and experiences is that while they are paraded as proof of divinity by those wanting to believe, for the skeptics, they are nothing but distractions and illusions which can be explained as coincidence, luck, chance, or at best, unexplained scientific phenomenon. Now that puts into perspective on whether faith comes first or whether the miracle comes first. When I was a student in the Brindavan campus of the Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, I often wondered why Swami didn't do a miracle for every person who came to him. I felt that would be the easiest way to convert anyone into a devotee, because a miracle will definitely build faith, right? Even as I kept pondering about this question, something interesting happened. I walked into the audio-visual room of the hostel and I found a book lying there. The book was called Len Chimle's Dream, and it was about an imaginary conversation a man is having with God. I picked up the book and randomly opened a page. Believe it or not, the question the man Len is asking from God is, God, why don't you do a magnificent miracle so that the whole world notices and acknowledges your presence? All of them will then start believing in you. Was I thrilled, because this was precisely the question that had been bothering me a few minutes before. I went on to read God's answer. God asks Len, tell me what is the miracle you want me to do so that the whole world believes in me? And Len says, do something very dramatic, God. Do something like change the color of all the oceans and the skies into some maroon, purple or pink, different from blue. Everyone is bound to notice and get thrilled about this miracle. And God says, that won't work, Len. Now, before I go ahead with God's explanation to Len, I think it is the perfect time to enjoy the experience of a certain Bala Pattabhi. Shri Bala Pattabhi, who hails from the town of Udumalpet in India, came to Swami in 1944. he has had many magical experiences that he has documented in the book Nectarine Leelas of Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. It was during one of those most famous and endearing Chitravati riverbed sessions. Swami was seated on the sands with all the other devotees and he was regaling them with many miracles. One of them was when he plunged his hand into the sands and pulled out a beautiful silver idol of Lord Ganesha. Swami gifted this idol to Balapattabhi's brother-in-law's father-in-law. Swami then whispered something in his ear and asked him, "Did you understand?" The elderly gentleman said, "Yes, Swami," and kept silent. After all of them returned to Swami's old mandir, all the devotees were eager to know what Swami had whispered in the ears of this elderly father-in-law. But that gentleman was very tight-lipped and he did not want to reveal it. A few weeks later, this group left for their hometown, departing from Puttaparthi going to Bukkapatnam by bullock cart, from Bukkapatnam by bus to Penukonda railway station, and from there by train to Bangalore. They stayed overnight at an inn in Bangalore, and the next day morning, something surprising happened. The father-in-law completed his morning bath and then came out and displayed the silver idol of Ganesha for all to see. But then something amazing happened. Even as he was displaying it, right before all their eyes, the idol simply vanished. The old man was distraught. He said, "Oh my God, this is exactly what Swami had told me. He had told me daily worship this idol either with rose water or milk and then partake that milk or rose water as tirtham. But don't show this idol to anybody, else it will be gone." The idol never came back, and it was a lesson that was learnt in the hard way. The interesting thing here is that everybody in the group witnessed this miracle. While a few members said, "Oh my God, we should never take Swami's words lightly. He is omnipotent, omnipresent and omniscient." There were others who said, "Looks like this Sathya Sai Baba is simply a street magician because the objects that he has so-called created don't last for long. They are temporary and they just vanish." It was the same thing that everybody witnessed. Yet some felt that Swami's divinity got strengthened because of it, while the others felt that Swami's divinity collapsed because of it. And that is exactly what God tells Len in that book. Because God tells him, "Len, that will not work. Because some time back, somebody told me, make the skies and the oceans and the rivers and the ponds blue so that whole mankind gets up to the miracle. But today, you have explanations for why the ocean is blue, why the sky is blue, and why the water appears blue. If you don't have faith, even when you witness a miracle, you will shrug it off as a coincidence, chance, luck, or an unexplained scientific phenomenon. But when you have faith, every little experience in life becomes a miracle. For instance, me breathing now. When there are so many who are losing their breath at this very moment, how is it that I am able to breathe? How is it that my heart is able to beat? How is it that the digestion is happening in my stomach? In conclusion, I would like to recollect an interesting conversation I overheard at a swimming pool. How can I dive into the pool when I don't know swimming? How will you learn swimming if you don't dive into the pool? Speaking of faith and miracles, we can have the same conversation where a friend is saying, "How can I have faith in God when I have not experienced a miracle?" The wise friend would reply, "How can you experience a miracle when you don't have faith in God?" Dear brothers and sisters, while it is true that a miracle bolsters our faith, in order to be able to recognize a miracle, we need faith. Faith comes first, the experience and miracle comes later. But then, what is faith? The answer to that question will have to wait for the next video. Till then, Jai Sai Ram.
स्कंद विनायक सविता पावत तू। सच्चिदानन्द हरितु अद्वितीयतु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकर सर्व प्राणपते स्वामी सर्व प्राणपते कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आवद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं मर्यन्तयो नीवे स्वामी मर्यन्तयो नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल हारति अंधुक मंगल हारति अंधुक मंगल गिरिधारी ॐ जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई महाराज की
समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका